Hello everyone, my name is Binti and today we'll be discussing about linear regression basics. Let's get started. So what is linear regression? Linear regression is a statistical method that is used to model the relationship between independent and dependent variable using the straight line. So output equation of the line is y equals to mx plus c. It basically regression is find out used to find out the relationship between the input and output variable. Input is called as independent variable and output as it is depending upon the input is called as dependent variable. Here in this equation y is our output, m is called as slope of the line, and c is the point of intersection. So goal is to finding out the line which best fits to the which derives the relationship between input and output values. So what is cost function? The goal of linear regression is to find out the line that best fit the data. Now this can be done by minimizing the cost function. So basically we have to find out we have to reduce the error between input and output so that we get the best fit line. And this we can measure by using cost function. It basically find out how far its model is predicting from the actual values. This can be done by mean square error function, which is 1 upon 2m summation of I equals to 0 to n y actual minus y predicting value square. So our goal is to find out as less cost function, as less error as possible. And if we here m is slow, and if you take this value at multiple m, so you will get the structure like this. So this is called as gradient descent, and here this point is called as global minima. So our point is find out our aim is to find out the global minima where the optimal values where values of m and c will be there, and this can be achieved by taking multiple values of m, and here m can be derived from earlier m value. So we basically here uh, finding out m which is slightly less than the earlier m value, and this can be done by using a convergence formula, which is m earlier m minus derivative of m into alpha, which is learning rate will be the minimum value, and here learning rate will be the minimum value, and if it is higher you will not get this value in line. Your predictions will be this line will move uh, like zigzag. So here that's why we are keeping learning rate as minimum as possible, and once you get this point, this is considered as a minimal values. So remember, when you want to find out the simple truth in your data, just think about the linear regression. So that's it for the linear regression for today's video. If you want me to make another video about actual implementation of the linear regression, please comment down below. I will make the another video for the same, and make sure you like, share, subscribe. Thank you for supporting my channel. We'll meet in the next video. Bye bye.